Let's be honest, the skate industry hasn't seen any real innovation in the past 30 years. That's why we've decided to think outside the block. Introducing the world's first bullet-resistant, clear, customizable skateboard geared for absolutely any lifestyle. Whether you're a beginner skateboarder or an advanced downhiller, the Jelly Man-O-War is the perfect ride for you.
What's going on, guys? This is Sven, CEO and co-founder of Jelly. We're super excited to introduce to you the all-new redesigned Jelly Man-O-War, which has been a culmination of all the awesome feedback that we've received from our Jelly fans across the world. But we thought we could go one step further, so we teamed up with the homies at Block Risers Innovation to give our boards the functionality to fit your lifestyle.
The flex of a snowboard meets the flow of a surfboard. The Jelly Man-O-War is a downhiller's dream.
So I really like the new Jelly deck. Man-O-War, super sick board. It's got a concave to keep it under my feet. Blocks are super sick. They just click right into my skateboard and I mash down the hill without worrying about my camera.
Hi, my name's Kevin, founder and Chief Technical Innovations Officer for Block Riser Innovations. I've always liked putting things in places. That's why I came up with a stash block, so I can put more things in more places. What other things can you put into the stash block, you might ask? I wonder.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
Got any jelly?
But of course.
Care for some grape?
Yeah.
The patent-pending Betty Box allows you to replace your stash block with the Go block, and now you can film with added stability. The standard GoPro attaches to the top of your board, increasing vibrations and rendering your footage useless. Plus, once you stick them on, they become a permanent fixture. The Go block can be easily taken on and off, allowing for a limitless user experience. By absorbing vibrations, reducing speed wobbles, and increasing stability, the space-age material provides extreme flexibility, making Jelly the easiest skateboard to ride ever.
It really is the perfect board for riding down the boardwalk. It's so cruisy. It was super mellow, but really responsive. Like, I'm not used to skating. I felt really natural on the board. It was really inviting.
And we both really had an awesome time skating the boards. I really enjoy how they flex and about how durable they can be.
They're awesome. I can't think of another board to ride on. They don't catch over cracks. They just float over everything. They're good, they're nice, they're smooth, they're fast. My friends love them. It's a good time.
I love this board. It saves me valuable minutes in the morning. It's fun for me to get from my car into the office. And look at it, it's sleek enough that I can bring it in and feel comfortable with it.
And the Jelly boards just made it so much easier for me. It also takes you up to the next level of skateboarding.
I was just so scared to ride the Jelly board, but the Jelly board wasn't actually just so scary to ride. It's easy to cruise on it.
The added benefit of a deck made out of bulletproof glass is simple. It's super high impact resistant and 100% recyclable. Jelly's block is ready to roll. All we need is your support.